Hey, let me tell you about one of the only crypto projects that makes passive income that I'm still in, that I still believe in, that I'm still excited about going forward. It's making 80% APY. I've personally made over $30,000 from it. There's no Ponzi-nomics involved. The team is wonderful. I've got to meet them in person. And it's paid out 5 to 7% for the last year and a half. What project am I talking about? Drum roll. Project 79. So this is from the same team that brought you Hydra Whales, Sam, Adam, Anderson, and Adam. I was able to, again, to meet them face to face. Great guys. But this project is all about gold. The name comes from 79 as the atomic number for gold. So it's not random, but they currently have 3 projects as part of their ecosystem, their gold ecosystem. These 2 are ownership in a mine, but what I want to focus on is this gold staking program. And you can tell they're from the UK because that is not how you spell program. But what they do in this gold staking program is they buy gold from mines in Africa. Some of it is from the Burlcore mine that they own, but they take this gold, and when it's mined out of the ground, it is not pure gold, okay? It's gold mixed with a lot of other stuff, and it needs to be refined. So they have a partnership with a refinery in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates, that Dubai is the gold capital of the world, so there's a lot of refineries there. A lot of the world's gold goes there to be refined. They use a transport company called Brinks, so that's it's not like Sam and Adam actually put the gold in the back of their van and drive to Dubai. You can actually make that drive. It's a 92-hour drive from Uganda to Dubai. You have to cross the Red Sea. Maybe it could be parted for you. But that's not what they do. They use this company Brinks, who is professional gold transport company. The gold is insured the full way, so you're not going to have any Italian job situation or anything like that. But when it gets to Dubai, the refinery there buys it, refines it, and then now you have gold bars. So I was able to go to Dubai, I was able to meet the team, I was able to go to the refinery, I was able to meet the people at the refinery, I was able to see the gold. I even got to see the contracts for the refinery buying the gold. So there's no Ponzi-nomics. There's a real revenue stream, a good team. These are all the things that I'm looking for in a good passive income crypto project. But they've opened up this business opportunity to the crypto community. But with our crypto funds, they're able to buy more gold, and then they take the profit that they make from that and they split it with us as the holders. So you receive a reward each month. And again, the reward has been 5 to 7% for over a year and a half, over 18 months. So if this sounds interesting to you, something that you want to get involved in, I've put together a little landing page that just gives you some information. Nothing against their landing page, but there's too many moving pieces, okay? I'm a simple guy. In fact, when you look at my landing pages, you will see exactly how my engineer brain works. But this page just has some of the details about what I'm talking about here. I'll probably, when this video is out, I'll probably put it here instead of this AI generated image. It's pretty cool though, isn't it? But if you read through it, decide, hey, that's something I want to get involved in, you can click this sign up now. Then you're going to connect your wallet, whether it be MetaMask or Trust Wallet or whatever you have. And then you can deposit either Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, USDC, USDC.E, or USDT. So those 3 stable coins on any of those chains. So they made it pretty easy to get in. They currently have $2 million that are locked in this staking program. And then each month they announce, hey, we did 5% this last month. We did 5.5%. We did 6%. And you'll just receive that as a stable coin, which you can recompound. If you do want to transfer some of that to own one of the mines, again, maybe I can do another video on that sometime, or you can just withdraw it, take your profit. And I always recommend taking some profit. So that's Project 79. If you want more ways to make passive income, check out my video on Chris's Amazon distribution. I think that's a great opportunity for people right now. I also do have a newsletter, jamespelton.me website I'm just quickly putting together, but you can sign up for this newsletter if you just want more ways to make money. And I want to emphasize, as a Christian, our goal is not just to make more money so that we can buy Lambos and have all these nice things, but we want to make more money so that we can help more people. Jesus said it makes you happier to give than it does to receive. When you buy things for yourself, that's only beneficial in this life. When you give things to other people, that's beneficial for the life to come. So there's a lot more lasting benefit. So Jesus says that, and I believe it. So hope that is helpful for you. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later.